lazy girl hooded eye trick. We'll see. Hey everyone, it's Rebecca. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I wanted to try something today. I got inspired watching several just tutorials, just different channels, Painted by Spencer, I forget her name, Deepak, and you guys know who I'm talking about. She is really great, just like and even Taylor Wynn went to a makeup artist, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm going to do something that I've been sort of playing with myself, and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to create a full made up eye look, but I'm going to do it kind of, you'll see. We're going to mess it up in order to make it look good. I'm gonna do my eye makeup before my face makeup. Everybody has their feelings on that, and you know, I get it, but in this case, this is what we're doing. I'm also going to use concealer as primer, kind of, sort of my eyeshadow, because I really, really want to get rid of the discoloration. We are gonna just take a regular tapered shadow brush in a taupe mid shade right here. This is the e.l.f. I Love You a Latte. And we're just gonna put this right here. This is not about being neat. This is just about getting it on the eye. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna take a shader, just a slanted brush. This can be an eyebrow brush, and I'm going to put it in a dark shade. And we are just doing that. See how I'm looking like straight ahead. I want to go up this way. And I don't want to go up this way. I want to go up this way. I know that's like, what? Trust me. And then I'm making kind of a corner. Sorry, I've been watching The Bear. Love it. Actually, I finished it. It's so good. I watched it in like 2 nights. Okay. And then back to the brush. I'm blending more inward. I do want, I mean, you can go all over the place with this shade, but I am trying to kind of create something a little more focused on the outer edge. Right, okay. I have the Physicians Formula Brown. This is liquid liner. Love this stuff. Okay, so I'm kind of going to echo what I did with the eyeshadow. Just going along my lower lash line. You can, don't worry if you like go too far. That's kind of the point. If you mess it up, I gotcha. Now, instead of taking just a makeup wipe, I'm going to take, you can take any eye cream. I mean, take one that's, you know, not crazy expensive. I've got this e.l.f., this is the Game On collection, and I am doing this, and then I'm going to take this dampened sponge and I am just going to make my winged line from wiping away the product. Are you ready? If you don't want to go over with the liquid, totally don't blame you. I just like so I can see it. I'm taking that shader brush just in that dark brown and just kind of going over. But look at that. Ooh, yes. And then we can tidy that up a little with concealer. Also take that same brush and go on the inner corner, right? Not foxy, but kind of foxy. Do the inner corner. And meet it to your eyelash. You can even, there you go. I'm just putting more on the back of my hand of the number 7, and I am going to smile. And just do concealer right here. Not a whole ton right here. Just right here. Okay. Yeah? Now, I still need to do my eyebrow. I've got my mix as well. My snatch, my Lipton snatch. I shouldn't shrink down in my seat. How about that? Ah, dang it. I hate it when there's too much brow product on the spoolie. You think you've wiped it away, but you haven't. There we go. That's strong. Wow. How did I didn't realize I was going so strong there. I'm gonna thin that out a bit. Obviously, I've put on a full face. I finished this eye. I put mascara. The only thing I did to my eyes that off camera is mascara. I did not put on lashes, obviously. I just put on mascara. Maybelline, you know the drill. Actually, I just recently picked up the Pumped Up Colossal. I like it. I like that it's very thick. So I'm kind of mixing that with this Lash Sensational. I always like to find the perfect mascara cocktail. Cocktails. Okay, so yes, I did my brows. I just fell over my chair. I did nothing to my lower lash line. So I'm gonna show you what you can do. I'm going to take the mid-tone, right? And we're just using a short shader brush. And we are just gonna do that. Just kind of smoke it out. You can leave it, like, of course you can put your mascara on your lower lash line. You can do nothing on your lower lash line. If you want to connect it a little bit to the wing. I just, yeah, I just like to leave my lower lash line alone, but to add a little more drama, it's good to do just a bit of a shade. You can even use liquid. The Essence Princess liner kind of goes on super subtle. You could have even done that for right here. But it's basically a way of just creating this lifted look. It looks fancy. It looks like, ooh, look at you, you know what you're doing. You're on Instagram. You can be 50 and still keep up with the 22-year-olds, but at the same time, it is not labor intensive. It is goof-proof. So, you can just kind of wipe it away. If you mess up, just, kind of keep going with the eye cream. And the sponge for me is, I think, what is the unique kind of aspect of my method, because I'm not using a wipe. I'm giving my eye area something to help it be less crepey, lifted, whatever it is, and not getting too much concealer in and around there either. So I did finish with a little bit of my Wayne Goss powder. Love that powder. I cannot recommend it enough, especially for a mature skin. It just goes on so beautifully. So I will list all the products below, ones I used on camera, ones I used off camera. And if you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments what you thought of this look. And I will also list the channels and or videos that inspired me to kind of work this out for myself, because I just sometimes feel like I don't do much with my eye makeup because I'm a little bit afraid. And so I feel like this is a little more polished, a little more expressive, but I still kind of just do, like a few things and very plain, and, and that's good too. I honestly, it's just fun. It's just fun. Alrighty, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. That would really make a girl happy. And if you have subscribed, hit that notification bell, because maybe YouTube did something weird and you're not seeing my videos. I don't know. Yeah, it's weird. All right. Thank you again for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.